So just a quick update on the sorghum. It's about almost, it's just over 5 foot tall in this area. I think on average we're at 5 foot right now. I do got some in here that's got seed heads on it, which this variety I planted should not be doing that, if that's what it is. I mean, it's only about 5% or less, but I'm seeing more coming up now, which is not good. So this is a photo period sensitive variety that's in here. It's not supposed to do that until September, late September for us. So I'm a little bit worried about that. I don't know if we get some seed contamination. I'm going to call Walter Moss Seed and tell them what's happening, give them my lot numbers and see if there's something different. And the only other explanation, which this is far-fetched, is that we had a regular sorghum Sudan in here last year, and you know, it went to seed on us real fast, and that could be residual seed in the ground too. I just don't know. I mean, the plants look a little bit different, so that could be the Sweet 6 BMR that I had in here last year that seeded, which is fine if it is. I'm okay. So but yeah, I'm going to ask them, see if they've heard any reports or not, but it could be from last year, residual seeds from last year that were in the ground, or something else. So but I'll talk to them about it, send them in a short clip off of this video here so they can see it. I don't think it's their plant, but I mean, it looks different to me. It looks more like the Sweet 6, but you know, I'll send it to them and see what they say, see if they got any other reports of this. But I mean, anyway, but other than that, man, this stuff is doing awesome. Listen to that sound. The wind blowing in the Sudan. Yeah, I love that sound. That means I got a lot of leaf out there. So this is going to produce good tonnage for us. Next year is going to be better, promise me. I promise you that, because I'll get it fertilized prior to planting, which will make this stuff even bigger. The reason why I know it can produce more is back there, there's a spot where it had the burn piles at, and it's 8 foot tall already, and it's been that way for a while. I don't think I've seen any seed heads in it, because we burned that after. There's a brush pile there we burned after this this last fall, so it didn't have seeds in it from the Sweet 6 BMR. So that could be a telltale sign right there. But anyway, hey, it's still going to produce a lot of tonnage. It's going to produce a lot of hay. It's like this throughout everywhere I planted. It's like this. Even, I mean, up there by Alex's house, it's probably 6 or 7 foot tall now, at least 6 foot. So I'm thinking soon, you know, tomorrow, this is July the 1st, Saturday, July 2nd is tomorrow. That would be 60 days from planting. So I actually did very well. Now this area right here got planted in hard ground, ran over a few times. Was not prepared ground right here. It's just somewhere where I planted. It still came up. It's slower, but you see where the ground was prepared, how much better it did. So yeah, so back to July 2nd, it'll be 60 days. So any time after tomorrow, I'm going to be looking for a 6 to 7 day window to mow and bale, which I don't have that right now. We do have rain coming. You know, we got small chances. We got a couple of days or 20% chance of rain, and then we got what, Thursday or Friday of this next week, it's showing 50 to 70% chances right now. Then after that, it's going to get hot again. So probably maybe next Sunday we can put this stuff on the ground, get it drying, let it sit for 5 days, probably, as thick as this stuff is. It's going to have to sit a while to dry, especially with our humidity levels the way they are right now. If we had like hot, dry weather, that's different. Hot, humid weather is going to take it a little bit longer to dry down. But anyway, so we're going to look for that time frame. It's like an ocean out here. That's awesome. Look at that. You see the ocean? The ocean of Sudan. So anyway, I gotta say, oh, there we go. Oh, that breeze feels good too. to this. This is awesome.